I've had about four or five failed prints with this so far. It stops extruding and it eventually grinds away at the top, as this one did. Right here, it just grinds it away completely. And so I've tried the exact same print with other filaments and I've had no issues. Other silk, PLA Plus, and a lot faster. So right now this print is, it recommends at 200 to 220 and 30 to 50. Sorry. And that's definitely not correct from my experience. I've had to print at least minimum 225 and 35 millimeters, which, it's causing stringing, but other than that, I would come back and there would be no extrusion. The print head would be up here and it would cut off about halfway. So right now it's about 27, almost 28 hours in, and with about 20 more to go. I had other filaments do these exact same print in about 9 to 10 hours on this printer, so we'll see. Hopefully, if I keep messing with it, it'll get better, but as of right now, the color is nice, but I did do this one with no issues, so I'm not sure why this is giving me so much problem. After trying for so long and doing a lot of things, I thought it was my printer. I changed the bowing tube, extruder, everything is new, but still getting problems. So maybe it was a bad batch. I even dried it, still have problems. So
this shine is just amazing. Never lets me down. This looks like it was used. You can see that there's some filament gone, and then I don't know what all these marks are. I've never gotten a filament like this. Never. Like, what is that?